Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Rapperholic 2020.
Yeah. You know I'm running out of patience. Still out of me training, nigga who will make a panic cause it feel like a vacation. Mama sending more location.
Looking forward to the music, the sound, nostalgia, all that jazz. I can't wait. I can't wait for this concert, and it's just in time.
The fans, they gotta do it. I'm so swift, I dodged all the bullet. Listen to your DM, we use force to chew it. This will be locked from day one, I knew it.
You know, Sarkodie is the best rapper in Africa, not in Ghana, Africa. So, like, for him having something like that, you know, we all want to be part of it. And for me, I don't need to say much because the guy is a top man.
Decade in the game, I made a lot of cash, but I need more, cause you know we blow money fast. Niggas wanna tap into the blessing. Time is gonna reveal all the truth. I ain't stressing, I'm the best to ever do it. This is not even a question.
Tell us, what are you expecting to Rapperholic this year?
Well, Sarkodie mentioned that it's gonna be a virtual concert. But I wanted to ask what MX24 will contribute to it, because it's free to air. And so once I scan my TV and I get hold of it, it means I can watch it without paying for it. And so even if I don't get it, my expectation is to watch it on MX24. Yeah.
So are you a fan of Sarkodie?
Come on, man, what you talking about? It's Sark all day from day one.
Let me be honest, my nigga, we alright. 100,000 on the video clip. Only because I be on my CEO shit. No discount. Nigga gotta feed the whole clique. Someone have my GI, then I take a road trip.
I mean, some years ago when we started Rapperholic, even at a small level, it was big. Many years down the line, and if you know Sarkodie, consistently he gets bigger. So what would you expect?
Were you there last year?
Exactly. No, I missed last year. Last year there were too many people in Accra, so we left the Boggers to attend all the events. But I mean, definitely this year I'm going to be there, and I'm expecting a great performance as usual from Sarkodie. That comes without saying.
Again, I gotta keep on the low. I'm a legend, homie, if you wanna know. At this level, I'm only rapping to keep you on your toe. You only got a crib, push your ass got sand. I've been self-made.
Thank you guys for taking time out of your busy schedule and coming to this lunch. We appreciate so much. Rapperholic was one of my early albums that I dropped, I think, after my first one, Mache. That was the first time. So the first album, Mache, I launched that album right here at the mall, Accra Mall, which was very small. I'm a beginner. So I sat in the midst of random people and told them I released an album. But I still had fans that I didn't know about that came to take pictures, and then they bought some. It was a great feeling, because a guy walking on the street and now having people buying your CDs, that was like a good one. The next year was Rapperholic, and I wanted to take it, a bit further. So if you guys remember the conference center, the dome, the old one, the numbers was crazy. What was the numbers at that time? Like 5,000 and over. And this is a young boy, first 2-3 hits. You think you are that strong to pull 5,000 people to pay, not free, to pay and watch you. So honestly, I would give the props to my team. It wasn't my idea. They believed in it. Though I had doubts, I think they saw beyond what I saw myself to be. So we went to get a place. Shouts to this team, A-team. They sorted out the technical bit of it, getting the place locked down, the stage, lights, and everything. I was seriously panicking. Because when I came out, you know, in Ghana, let's face the facts. People push you to come, but sometimes they're trying to, like, see if you can really maintain this thing that you started, you know? So I'm always on that edge. If this doesn't work. And this is 5,000 people. And it's on Christmas Day, 25th. People want to spend time with their family. They don't want to go out. How are you going to be able to draw 5,000 people to gather just because of you? And this is not Ghana Music Awards. And on that same day, had our biggest competition on that night was Ghana Movie Awards. And this is well-established brand that we are about to compete with, our first show, and having in the same space. So literally, if you know the conference center, the main conference center, and then the tent. So you just have to walk. So crowd will be coming in, and they will see Rapperholic, Ghana Movie Awards. Where are you going? So our biggest competition that night was Ghana Movie Awards. And I remember being, I think, these guys gave me a good treat. They booked a hotel for me. That comes with a job. You know, when you're a regular person, you can't be sleeping in certain hotels. But because I'm Sarkodie, you get the chance to sleep in some hotels. So I was there on WhatsApp messaging my sister, anybody I could get hold of who was in the auditorium. How is it going, Charlie? Yawana, what's it doing? And they said, oh, you know, bad. That's around 6:30 something. Oh, you know, bad. You know, people they come small. Not knowing, the queue outside was so long that it was taking time for them to come in. So by 7:38, full house. And then they sent me a video of my own show while I was in the hotel waiting, and I saw all these people there because of me. Trust me, that was very emotional. I think that was the time we did the motorbike, no? Yeah. Yes. So to be dramatic, my first time I came in on a motorbike. What did I say? Well, no, it wasn't even rehearsed. I was risking. If the motorbike had run through the people, that would have been it. So got in front of the stage, parked, I got off, it was smooth. I got on the stage, live band, DJ. That was an epic show. Great night. I did like all the songs on the album and all my hit songs at that time. Then, so that was basically the idea, to launch the Rapperholic album. But then the effect that the show had in Ghana and the coverage it had from the media, we thought otherwise. This cannot just be, yes, it can't end there. We have to continue. So that was the last 8 years. And so for 8 years, we've been doing Rapperholic successively.
This partnership with Rapaholik is something that it's different. It's not been seen before. Some of the things that we're going to show post-event, like you were saying, showing it live, yes, we're still talking. And then post-event as well, we have something special we want to give not only the Rapaholik fans, not only music lovers, it's open to everyone. We're doing a behind-the-scenes, never-seen-before, exclusive to how a show like Rapperholic is being done. Because people don't see, they always see the end product and not see the actual work that our hard-working creatives like Sarkodie put in a show like Rapperholic. So this is these are some of the things MX24 is going to do, and will also try and put other creatives on the map.
Me, I've just been watching the progression from Sarkodie of maybe 3 years ago to Sarkodie of last year and Sarkodie of now. And I know the Sarkodie of tomorrow will be bigger than the Sarkodie we're seeing. And in all things, we have to learn to give the support, because he's a very special guy, Ghanaian guy, doing his own stuff. And he asked the question why we are friends. You know why. So in all things, Kato.
What convinced you to partner with MX24?
I think for what you guys stand for, I came to the office, and after that I've been monitoring the station. I think the energy is fresh. You guys are doing beyond what a regular would do, and I'm attracted more to that. I like people who want to do something different, you know, not the usual TV. Yeah.
All right, so what can people expect from Rapperholic this year?
It's going to be great. It's going to be epic. I'm going to give my all. I know thousands of people will be watching live. The good thing is, Rapperholic normally don't stream live. This is going to stream live, so I have to give in my 100.
So considering that COVID happened this year, I mean, what's different? Tell us what's different. Tell us how you plan to do the event differently.
Yeah, so as we said, what we're going to do is we're going to space the people out. So we have tables. So most people are going to watch from home, so that we have time to place the people to take all the precautions needed.
All right, so I read that you guys always showcase some upcoming acts. Well, who can we look out for this year?
With Rapperholic, we don't give no names. It's all surprises.
It's all surprises?
Yes, it's all surprises. Bless you.
All right, bless you, my brother. Respect. Good luck.
You already know the real deal.